Hi, this is Paul Harris with Aurora Multimedia here at ISE 2022, and I'm here to show you the VPX-TC1 Pro Series. This is the latest generation of product for our 1 gig. It's in addition to our existing series line. This is a transceiver 1 gig AV over IP that's capable of 4K 60 444, and with our new Mimix CODEC, it delivers perfect image quality. In addition to that, it does it in only 1 frame of latency at only 16.6 milliseconds of latency. Before I flip this around, let's see. It's got a front OLED screen on it that will give you full status. This one's not plugged in, but if it was, you'd see full status there. On the back of it, it has your 1 gig port PoE. It has an SFP, which can do copper or fiber. Audio breakout. 232 IR, it has 2 HDMI inputs, it has an HDMI output, which are all usable, as well as 2 USB 2.0 ports on this. So you could do the full camera in the back direction, as well as a full bi-direction of the other port for mass storage and other type of USB 2.0 devices. One of the other great innovations of this is that it does all this in only 8 watts of power and a small size. So there's no fan in here, no moving parts, runs lukewarm to the touch. Another new feature is we did Dante in a software implementation, which is an industry first for this type of a product. So we don't have to rely, I know there's a lot of chip shortages out there. We're not having that issue with this particular product, and we are shipping. That's another important thing to remember out there. We also have Dante controller capabilities, so you can use Dante Manager to control and do the routing of this. Also, video wall processing, image rotation, as well as video previewing up to 30 frames a second. Electronic programming guide, and a new feature for 1 gig AV over IP is we could do picture-in-picture and electronic programming guide, so you can actually see another encoder while watching the current encoder and watch it at the same time in a picture-in-picture configuration on this type of thing. Now, if that wasn't enough, we do have the wall plate version of it, which is a transmitter-only version, but it's a 4K 60 444 wall plate that complements the system. No interface boxes. This will plug directly into it, and this is an AV over IP product. And that is the VPX series from Aurora Multimedia, and you can see more information about this at www.auroramm.com. Thank you.